again going to hello guys, this is my next video. JK grade. I was showing I was I was showing JK grade, but currently I'm going to show JK grade JK grade JS file no JK grade file implementation, how to implement our JK grade code. So this is my controller, and this is my column data, and this is level and name and width and true. This is GD table, means we have to true edit, and we can't edit. This is in my hand because edit true, and we have to know, don't edit in my data. Basically I am showing to, if you have to edit id, then it is true, and we haven't edit this id, we have to false. Yes, editable data. Okay, edit table. Okay, I'm going to show my next coding. This is view record true, and this is JK grid pager. This is JK grid pager. It means where we have to show our page, and this is caption. Caption is for the user report. We have to show user report. This is my aid report. This is my user report. It is the caption. Okay. And also very important, JSON reader. JSON reader is read in form of page, table and record. Basically we have to show you in my JSON. Basically its attribute is same to as in my JavaScript file. It is my total string total records, and also is there also is a page, and samely we have to show you this is page, total and record. Also available, and naming convention is also same. And we have to edit my login controller. Then we have to new user controller. I'm going to new user controller. New user controller is we have to go in my controller. Controller is login controller. New user controller. New user controller is the post data, and response body is responsible for response in form of JSON. JSON, it means only string. We have to show on browser and send data in form of a string, and retrieve also in the form of string. Okay, this is sign up. This is my controller, and this is get and set pass, get id and set id. It is the get parameter, something like that. We have to set on login bean. It means is here our bean class in which there is a constructor. Directly with constructor set all attribute, and login controller, this is responsible. Okay, login delegate and sign up is available in user doc implementation. There is sign up is basically their implementation is here. Basically insert login table and get and set password, execute update. Okay, and I'm going to custom .js, and I'm going to login control. Okay, login this is sign up. It can be login delegate, the object of delegate, and if you will be sign up, then it record will be added. Okay, then we have to go on customer JS. Then this controller is fire for when we have to any edit in our grid. This is edit, and this is add, and it is delete and search. It will be shown in the form of this is add, and this is edit and delete and search and reload. Okay. This is my JS file, and we have to show my JSP, welcome JSP, that will be responsible to show our all data. All data will be showing on in the this is our ID that is responsible to showing our data. It means this is grid, and this is grid pressure. It is responsible for paging, and we have to show you customer.js, and this is my pager, grid pager. Okay, thank you for watching me, and again video I will show you how to edit and how to delete selected row and search. Reloading and walking will be out. Nice. This is the also my password will be 5 times A. Okay, 5 times A. We have to change my password 2 times. Okay, my user ID is 777, and this is my user ID, and my password is 5 times A, and it will be changed 2 times A. Yeah, we have to reload 2 times. It's working nice now. This is, and also there is validation. We have to change my password, something like incorrect password, incorrect password, then it will show your password is wrong, that incorrect password, and we have to reload because no change, because database not changing database. So thank you.